Hey everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video, and today we're gonna learn and talk about how you can send voice messages on your Apple Watch. This might seem a bit confusing at first because there is a difference between dictating messages and sending actual voice messages. The Apple Watch interface can make it a bit tricky, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, open up the Messages app on your Apple Watch and navigate to any conversation you want. Once you're in that conversation, you'll see several options for input. When you tap on the text field, it will present you with a keyboard or swipe interface or scribble, whatever it is, but you're going to be able to see the microphone icon next to it. When you tap on it and speak to your Apple Watch, it transcribes your speech into the text. So this is not the same as sending an audio message. So this is just a dictation feature. So to send an actual voice message, you'll need to tap on a different icon, and instead of going to the text field, tap on the App Store icon, which is located on the left. Tap on it to reveal more options, and among these options you'll find the audio icon. This is what you need to send a voice message. When you click on it, you can right away start speaking into the watch to record your message. After you finish recording, simply hit send and your voice message will be sent through iMessage. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to tap on, of course. Keep in mind that if you don't have iMessage set up and you rely on the regular text messages via SMS, then sending voice messages is just not going to be possible. iMessage is essential for this feature to work properly on your Apple Watch. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future.